ASL 2. Welcome to online vocabulary learning. We're going to start our new unit, and it just so happens that our next unit is talking about ailments and illnesses, if you can believe it or not. So that's what we're going to be learning right now. So I'm going to teach you some signs about being sick. Normally, when I teach this vocabulary or teach any vocabulary, I like to use lots of pictures, but I love you and I don't want you to suffer, so I'm not actually going to use any photos this time, okay? I'm just going to have words up, and that's because I care about you and don't want to go searching the internet for icky pictures. All right, so you're welcome, and let's get started. The first word we're going to learn, you've probably already picked up before. We learned this way back in ASL 1. The sign is sick. It's a feeling hand shape at your forehead and at your stomach, sick. And it needs ick face, sick. Next we have don't feel good. So not is an A off your chin. Feel, again, that feeling hand shape up on your chest, and good. I don't feel good. Or I feel lousy. Lousy, it's a 3 off your nose. I feel lousy. Then we have the sign hurt. It's one hand sideways and they twist. Now that sign can be directional. For instance, if you have a headache, my head hurts, my stomach hurts, I have a toothache. You can put that sign where you need it to talk about what's hurting. Now, if your knee hurts, you probably just have to sign knee and then hurt because you can't reach where your knee is, stuff like that. So kind of, if it's in your sign space, you can use that sign directionally. So again, stomach ache, sore throat, itch, cough. So that's a fist, make circles on your chest, cough. Runny nose. That's actually an elemental classifier. It's showing how the snot is dripping out of your nose. Or this, you can use the sign cold. Not the same thing. Sometimes my nose just runs because of my allergies or something. So runny nose, cold. That's different than cold like the temperature dropped this morning. That's cold. But this is cold like I have a cold. I feel tired. I feel tired. Swelling. So like say you shut your hand in a door and now it's swollen, right? Or you bonked your head and now right there's a goose egg right there where it's swollen up. So that can be directional too to a certain degree. Insomnia means you can't sleep. Can't sleep. Or you're awake all night long. So think of the sign all night. And then eyes open, awake all night, can't sleep. Upset stomach, ooh. So it's kind of a claw hand, palm in, circles on your stomach. And then vomit. We talked about something, like you just kind of, ew. This is like when you actually throw up, it's two-handed. Vomit. And then, everyone loves this sign. All right. So if you're talking about using the bathroom, normal functioning looks like this, okay? But if everything's stuck and you're constipated, then it just looks like that. And the other extreme is diarrhea, and it looks like that. And I'm really like coming out of my comfort zone to teach you people these signs. So this is how much I love you, okay? Next is rash. You spell the word, and then you can also classify it, like it's red bumps. Like if you had a rash on your arm or on your trunk, red bumps. And the last one in this set is fever. So think about when you have a fever and your mother puts the back of her hand on your forehead to feel your temperature, fever. All right, that's it for now. We'll come back in a bit. Oops, sorry, I forgot one. One more sign for you, sore. And some of you are thinking, Mrs. Bennett, hold on a second, that's the sign for year. Not quite. Year, this hand stays still and that hand moves. With sore, both hands are moving and they're moving very slowly, and you have ick face on your face as a facial expression. Sore. So like yesterday I ran and now I'm sore.